test on the Wheeler's injectors, the Cherokee. Ooh, ooh, oh.
You need some new injectors.
Yeah, they need to be cleaned. Holy shit. I know, it looks so great. What's this saying? Timing?
Oh, pretty close.
Yeah, their atomization fucking sucks. No, I want to say that's close.
Closer than the gold truck.
And the middle ones are the worst. Oh, that's horrible. Which ones are these two left ones got to be the good ones. And these two.
What brand are these?
These are Hollies, I think.
They suck.
Well, they've been sitting with the hood off for
but they're not getting
years. Yeah, that's bad.
That one looks fucked up.
Yeah, that one is. The right one does too, but I mean, they're kind of close though. Just the spray's all jacked up. Turbo truck was worse. Was that 110? 110. Really shy, like 105? No, 102. 105. 105. 111. 12. They need to be cleaned. So we're cleaning the injectors, and then we'll make a little video while we're slow when we get done. We got 220 injectors left. Kyle's over here wiggling around. He's impatient. But everything is happening. And the connections. Where's that one connector? Can't imagine I was getting a very good connection out of those. Not great at all. The hood being off probably don't help that. Where's the other one? Oh, it's covered.
They're corroded in the injector too, they need like scraping out in there.
Yeah, it's a mess. Oh, maybe she'll run better. We'll see. Yeah, that one's still back. Two of them are real bad. That one's right there with it, though. They may need to soak a little bit. I wonder, can we run it longer?
Yeah, just turn it way up and let them run for a long time.
Yeah, just let it soak in there. This fluid looked like this before we started the injectors. Kind of crazy. Whatever that, what is that shit in there? Alright, that was, how long was that, Kyle?
An hour.
An hour of injector cleaner action. Really? Is it a little warm?
They're burning.
Let's see.
Hold on, I'm trying to get them in there.
Oh yeah, that's pretty warm.
They're fucking hot.
They're pretty warm.
Let's go make them dirty again.
Oh, that nice little pop there. That's the pop you want to hear. That means it's nice and snug.
It's in there?
It's in there. No questions, she's in there.
Just need some oil.
We don't have any oil. Multitasking. Sending Lainey money.
For what?
For her driver's test.
Is she there right now?
No. But she's trying to schedule it. She said they need a card.
So you send your card to her?
No, she has a card.
Oh. Damn, she's balling. She's got a card, there's no money on it.
No, I have to transfer money when she needs it. Alright, let's hope this works.
That leak.
I don't want to buy new ones.
Or what?
Said I don't want to buy new ones. Seem to be holding pressure.
Yeah, 4 pounds. Ready?
Yep.
Nope.
Nope, still garbage.
Nope.
Well, just really the one is out. The 2 outside ones suck. Well, that one's getting better though. Yeah, that one.
This one was over here last time. This is 6.
I mean, it's still flowing.
Yeah, it's just not atomizing.
No, they're atomizing like shit.
Bet you they've done that ever since they went in.
Probably.
Because, I mean, unless you've ran, nasty gas through, but, I mean, they're close.
They're putting on the same fluid. Their spray pattern sucks. A little bit of shit in there.
Mm-hmm.
Clean them again. Cool them off. Let them cool off, and at some point, I feel like maybe they just suck.
You think they just suck?
I mean, at some point, yeah. Well, let's pull those out and swap them for the other 2 and see what our spray patterns look like if they match.
They were straight, weren't they?
Yeah, I think.
The other 2?
Some dry little poofs. Get some RPM in there. That looks better. That don't look horrible.
Higher than they'll ever go.
What are you talking about? No, yeah.
8,000
yeah,
RPM?
I'm not really an 8,000 RPM kind of guy. Not horrible. That one's kind of more of a stream, but turn it down to like 3,500. That's where it's mostly going to be, probably. Cool. We'll throw them in and see how she does. Nice and easy, no problem. Should have slide right in there.
Why do you have map sensors?
Huh?
Why do you have a map
Oh.
sensor?
I don't know. Why not? I think I'm supposed to.
You have 2 of them.
Yeah.
Your split seconds one also.
I don't fucking know.
There should be a vacuum running ran to that right now.
There is.
So you have 2.
Yeah.
This one, the wires are cut then.
I think I do remember doing something like this when I did it.
Oh, it's so easy.
Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. She just fits right in there like a glove. Yeah, right. I mean, you're in there.
The back ones are actually in.
Yeah.
The O-ring's squishing on the bottom.
I think they're in. Alright, so let's try this again. We're going to try to start this up, see how smooth it is with the new injectors. If my battery is charged enough. She drains a little bit. And I haven't had a charger on it. But I charged it up pretty good yesterday. Oh man, perfect. A little bit of hiccup maybe. I mean, it's always started screwed up in the morning, or when you first fire it up. Always.
You can never hit it.
No. Crazy. I think it was from the two injectors, or just that rear injector that screwed up that it wasn't firing at all.
Yeah, and then the rear spray, and then.
Maybe. Well, that's cool. So we're gonna get this thing hooked up. We're gonna take it out to LB. Shauna said we can go for Father's Day. She'd come with me. I cleaned some of the mud out of her side. Some big chunks. She still got her heated seat though. Anyways, I'm gonna shut this off, get it loaded up.